Hi, I'm Tom Rose, Public Works Director for the town of Smyrna. I'm out here at the intersection of Weakley Lane and Swan Drive to talk to you about this project that we started about 2 months ago. What we're going to be doing is widening out Weakley Lane just south of Swan Drive from where it necks down currently from 3 lanes to 2 lanes, widening that all the way to 3 lanes to the intersection of Swan Drive. Also, each of the other 3 legs of this intersection will be constructed with a center turn lane to allow more vehicles to get through this intersection at a little bit quicker rate. That way people going northbound on Weakley won't have to wait for someone taking a left on the Swan Drive. Like I said, we started this project about 2 months ago. We're looking to get this complete around October, November of this year. Also, we're going to be installing some traffic signal poles in February of the following year, 2020, to finally complete the whole project. With this project, the town of Smyrna received a grant from TDOT for 80% of the total construction costs on this project, which is right around $1.1 million. So we'll be sharing our part of that, about 20%, to make sure this project comes to fruition. If you have any questions about this project, please feel free to give me a call at 615-459-9766.